Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Slack Workflow Builder for approvals and handoffs, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Slack Workflow Builder, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Slack website at slack.com. Click on the download option found in the top menu. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. For Windows users, double-click the .exe file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application on your device. For Mac OS users, open the .dmg file and drag the Slack icon into the Applications folder. Next, open the Slack application by finding it in your Applications or Programs list. Log into your Slack workspace using your email and password. Once logged in, look for the Workflow Builder option located on the left sidebar. Click on Workflow Builder to launch the tool. In the Workflow Builder, click on the Create button to start a new workflow. Choose the type of workflow you want to create, focusing on approvals and handoffs. Follow the prompts to customize your workflow for your team's needs. Add any necessary triggers, actions, and steps to streamline your process. Review your workflow to ensure all elements are in place. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your workflow live. Your Slack Workflow Builder is now ready to manage approvals and handoffs efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.